I have received this question from quite a few persons who directly or indirectly know me. So here it is for you what I learned while self publishing my own book that I am sharing with you today. How to self publish your own book using Kindle Direct Publishing. So you just need to go to the Google Chrome and type in KDP or Kindle Direct Publishing. You will have the link for self publishing by Amazon. You need to create an account if you do not already have an Amazon account, or and if you already have, then you just need to sign in. I have blurred this area because I am using my own credentials to sign into my own account. So after you have signed in, it will end up in a page like this. You can see the four major sections here: book content, book cover, description, keywords and categories, and ISBN. So book content is the place or the section where you are going to upload your manuscript. You have the link Get Started with Kindle Content Creation Tools. In the book cover also you have book cover creating tools available from Amazon. For description and keywords so that it appears in the searchability of Amazon, there are various kinds of guidelines by Amazon. And for ISBN also, you get a free ISBN to publish your paperback. Kindle ebooks don't need one. So you can learn more about ISBNs in the link provided. And let's go to the book content link. Here you can see that the manuscript formatting resources are there, cover formatting resources there, everything is there. So in manuscript formatting resources, the highlighted thing that you need to know is the Kindle Create. So Kindle Create is an Amazon software as a tool. You can use it while formatting the manuscript for paperback version. For ebook versions, Kindle Create is not always necessary. Only the docs extension file is good enough for that purpose. And for book cover, you have the assistance of cover creators for file types PNG, JPG, and you can check out the introduction to KDP Cover Creator. This is again some online tool of Amazon that would help you to launch your cover. So there is step-by-step demonstration how you can go about it. It's very much self-explanatory. While you just move ahead with the steps, it's prompting. You can do it on your own, and if you have any difficulties if you face any difficulties while doing all the sort of things, then you can just land up to this page and take all the guidance. So it is quite much explanatory. For myself, I had clicked an image on my own from my own mobile phone camera, and I had used one app to do some editing, and then I had used Adobe Photoshop, and I had taken help from one of uh, Photoshop editors who actually helped me to fine tune the editing of my uh, book cover. So finally, I had the idea of Thank You Miss Poetry was just brought down in a concise manner in the book cover. I'm very happy that I could design it, but all kudos, all congratulations to all these kinds of tools available in Kindle Direct Publishing. This makes things very much easier. So for description keywords, these are actually the areas which are very necessary in case of if you're, when you are marketing your book, because publishing a book is almost equivalent to keeping all your manuscript, all your content written in a diary on your table, unless you do proper marketing. So the metadata about your book is everything. So you need to study that part if you want to focus on that. Then ISBN, you can see all the details over here. ISBN for ebooks, ISBN for paperbacks. All those details are here. How to get a free ISBN from KDP, and how to use your own ISBN if you already have one. Then you can see this: compare using KDP ISBN or your own ISBN. All these things, if you need such kinds of information, this information are all very handy. You can also change your ISBN. All those things are also available. how to go about all those things. So if you're already an author and you have already published something and you again want to change your ISBN, all those kinds of questions are answered in this section, in this page. So this is it. And one more thing we'll come across is that books are tax exempt, so you need not really have to worry about GST and all. So books is you are free from all those income tax related worries. So you can go to this link again and check how to start creating a book, following the steps in this link itself. So you have the bookshelf, the book title and editions, then authors and contributors, book description, keywords, categories, pre-order for ebook only. So all these have to be filled up properly. You can upload and preview book before you publish. Before you hit the publish button, you need to set the rights and pricing very appropriately. And yeah, so this is it. Now let's see the Kindle ebook. If we create a new book, if we go for that, what does the form look like? It looks like this. You can choose the language, you can write the book title, the subtitle. If it belongs to a series of your books, of your book, then you can add to that. The edition number is there. You have to give the author information here. Then you have the section for contributors. Suppose you have a co-author or some editor who had done editing of your book, you can add that. The description of the book, that is the blurb of the book, you have to write a very catchy one. You have to do some R&D on that as well. Publishing rights, there are two options. Public domain work, you can select this option if you are publishing a public domain book. You need to keep in mind that the duration of the copyright varies between countries and regions. So if your book is in the public domain, you can go about it like that. And if you possess the publishing rights, then you have to choose this choice option. And the keywords are very important. You have to study properly to write in all the correct keywords required for your book. The categories is also very important. So until unless your book belongs to the correct category, it will never come up in the search results of Amazon properly. Then the age range and all those, if it is there. Pre-order is again for ebooks only. I'm not going for the Kindle ebook content and ebook pricing section because I'll have to otherwise give in some details which I do not have any manuscript right now with me ready. So there's no point in doing this. Now there is a tool, as I had already shown, that Kindle Create. For paperback versions, you need to have the Kindle Create tool installed in your laptop or computer to actually have the format of the manuscript required for publishing it in paperback format for in Amazon. So the .docs format is enough for ebook versions, but .docs is not enough for paperback versions. So, and now we can go to the bookshelf. What these four tabs mean actually, we can check out. Continue without saving. Bookshelf is we already saw. It is having the steps. Now when your book comes live, you can see Kindle ebook live, paperback live. And now let's go to the reports. Then you can go to the community. Reports is where your units are ordered, ebook or and everything like paperback, which country, how many orders and all those. Community, you can go and check more about it in the community. I haven't explored much in community. Do not look at the report of visible in the screen. See so many countries. Your book is published in so many countries, but look at the report. I do not have any orders in this month. So let's go to the bookshelf. And yeah, After that, we can check the marketing. In the marketing tab, we are see that there is the KDP Select. KDP Select is an marketing resource from Amazon. Author Central is also some author page by Amazon. I have put all my details there as well to help in advertising. Uh, then you have the Kindle Countdown deals and free book promotions. So I have done much of free book promotions. That's a very simple and easy one. So I'm not diving deep into this because we are not making a video on marketing a book. We are just uh, doing one for publishing a book. So free book promotions, I can say that you can do for only 5 days in a stretch of 3 months. So we have that window. Back to bookshelf. What we have now next, we can check one more thing is that the Kindle Create. I have downloaded it and installed it, so you can see there are various options how to do about the body of the manuscript. The content pane helps you organize and navigate your book. Then you have the software that this actually allows you to easily add new pages to your books, front matter, body, or back matter. Um, all these things, like I'm not going deep into this as well because we are not doing a tutorial on Kindle Create. Let me know if you need one for Kindle Create. It's quite much user friendly. It's easy to understand. I hope you can do it on your own. Let me know if you need any help on that. One additional information that I would like you to take note of is there are almost 12 countries in the world, including the US, Canada, Japan, Australia, Denmark, Italy, Mexico, etc., where both your paperback version and Kindle version will be published, except India. Yes, in India, only the Kindle version, that is the ebook version, will be published, but not paperback, because Amazon does not publish paperback version in India. At least till 2019, it was so. I am not very sure if the scenario has changed lately. I had to get in touch with a publisher in India separately to get the paperback version published here. So, to get a good publisher is also not very easy. However, the self published Kindle version did help me in getting a good one. This is how now you can see how my book looks like in Amazon, and this is how my paperback non Indian version that I got delivered from the US looks like in my hand. Amazing paper quality. You can get it from the sound of the pages rolling. Hope this video proves to be of some help in your self publishing journey. Apologies if there are any unintended mistakes. Wish you all the best, and by God's grace, may we keep learning and sharing. Thank you, and bye bye.